This stunning all-brick home boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, offering both luxury and comfort. The open-plan living area includes a modern kitchen, breakfast bar, eat-in kitchen and living room. There is also a formal dining room. This floor plan is perfect for hosting. A versatile large bedroom or second living area with a full bath is conveniently located on the main level. The upstairs features a private secondary suite with an ensuite bathroom, ideal for guests or extended family. The huge primary suite offers a generous sitting area, complete with a cozy fireplace. 2 additional bedrooms are also located on the upper floor. Enjoy outdoor living sitting in the screened porch with a wood-burning fireplace, overlooking a large backyard and patio, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. The home is surrounded by a privacy fence and sits on a